The fifth-generation Toyota 4Runner uses a keyless entry system integrated with the vehicle's ECU. Programming a new key fob involves pairing it to the ECU for security and functionality. As of 2025, programming can be done via traditional DIY methods or remotely through the Toyota app on newer models. Most owners prefer dealer programming due to security risks in DIY methods. The key fob system integrates with the vehicle's TPMS and ECU. The immobilizer system uses a transponder chip communicating via RFID with the engine immobilizer. Remote pairing protocols use low-frequency and high-frequency signals for commands, supporting up to 8 fobs. Toyota employs rolling codes for security, requiring fresh pairing for each new fob. Improper pairing can trigger the anti-theft mode, disabling the engine. Compatible fobs, OEM part numbers 88914 must be programmed within 60 seconds of ignition cycling. The traditional DIY method requires physical access to the vehicle. First, prepare by closing all doors and ensuring you have a working key fob. Insert the physical key into the ignition and remove it 3 times within 40 seconds. Turn the ignition to on position, but do not start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 4 times within 40 seconds. Within 3 seconds of the last ignition cycle, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 1 to 3 seconds. The vehicle will chirp to confirm successful pairing. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for each additional fob you want to program, up to 8 total. Finally, exit the vehicle and test the functions by locking and unlocking with the fob, then starting the engine to verify everything works. For 2025 models, you can use remote pairing via the Toyota app. First, download the My Toyota app and link it to your vehicle's account. Open the app and navigate to the digital key section, then select Add Key and choose Remote Pairing. Scan the QR code on the new fob or manually enter its ID, then confirm the pairing through the app. Ensure the vehicle is within Bluetooth range during the pairing process. You'll receive a push notification when pairing completes, which takes 2 to 5 minutes. Then test all remote functions. If pairing fails, check the fob's battery voltage. It should be above 3 volts. Alternatively, reset the ECU using an OBD2 scanner.